The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world and one of the most remarkable natural wonders of our planet. Located off the northeastern coast of Australia, it stretches over 2,300 kilometers and covers an area of approximately 344,400 square kilometers. This vast ecosystem is composed of nearly 3,000 individual reefs and 900 islands, forming a complex and diverse marine habitat. The Great Barrier Reef is so large that it can be seen from space, and it is considered one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. It has also been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, due to its outstanding universal value. The reef is home to an extraordinary diversity of marine life. It supports over 1,500 species of fish, 400 species of coral, and numerous other organisms, including mollusks, sea turtles, sharks, rays, and marine mammals, such as dolphins and whales. The Great Barrier Reef serves as a crucial breeding ground for many species, playing a fundamental role in maintaining marine biodiversity. The reef's intricate ecosystem is built upon coral polyps, tiny marine animals that secrete calcium carbonate to form the hard structures of coral colonies. These coral structures provide shelter and food for countless marine organisms, making the reef a vibrant and dynamic environment. The Great Barrier Reef is not only a natural marvel, but also an essential component of Australia's economy and culture. It attracts millions of tourists every year who engage in activities such as snorkeling, scuba diving, boating, and fishing. The reef contributes billions of dollars to Australia's economy annually and provides employment opportunities for thousands of people. Additionally, the reef holds significant cultural importance for Indigenous Australian communities, particularly the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples, who have lived in the region for thousands of years, and maintain strong spiritual connections to the reef and its surrounding waters. Despite its immense ecological and economic value, the Great Barrier Reef faces numerous threats that endanger its long-term survival. One of the most significant threats is climate change, which has led to rising sea temperatures and increased occurrences of coral bleaching. Coral bleaching occurs when corals experience stress due to elevated temperatures, causing them to expel the symbiotic algae that provide them with nutrients and color. When bleaching persists, corals can die, leading to a decline in reef health and biodiversity. Mass bleaching events have been observed in recent decades, with some of the most severe occurring in 1998, 2002, 2016, 2017, and 2020. In addition to climate change, other environmental threats include ocean acidification, pollution, overfishing, and coastal development. Ocean acidification results from increased levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which dissolves into seawater and lowers its pH. This process makes it more difficult for corals to build their calcium carbonate skeletons, weakening the reef structure. Pollution from agricultural runoff, plastic waste, and industrial activities also negatively impacts the reef, leading to water quality degradation and the spread of harmful algal blooms. Overfishing disrupts the natural balance of the reef's ecosystem, affecting key species and leading to unintended consequences for marine food webs. Coastal development, including port expansions and land reclamation, can lead to habitat destruction and sedimentation, further stressing the reef. To address these challenges, various conservation efforts have been implemented at local, national, and international levels. The Australian government has established the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, a protected area that regulates human activities to minimize environmental impact. Strict guidelines and monitoring programs help safeguard the reef from overfishing, pollution, and other threats. Additionally, scientists and conservationists are researching ways to enhance reef resilience, such as breeding heat-resistant corals, restoring damaged reef sections, and reducing carbon emissions on a global scale. Public awareness and education play a crucial role in reef conservation. Efforts to inform people about the importance of the reef and the threats it faces encourage responsible tourism and sustainable practices. Organizations and individuals can contribute to reef protection by reducing carbon footprints, supporting conservation initiatives, and advocating for policies that address climate change and environmental protection. The future of the Great Barrier Reef depends on collective action and global efforts to combat climate change and environmental degradation. While the reef remains one of the most spectacular natural ecosystems on Earth, its continued existence relies on the commitment of governments, scientists, conservationists, and the general public. By taking steps to protect and restore the reef, we can ensure that future generations will be able to experience and appreciate this extraordinary natural wonder.